Hey everyone, my name is Samar and welcome to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how to cook simple and delicious meals at home. In this video, I'll be making a nice chickpea curry that I discovered from the Happy Parrot YouTube channel. It looks simple, nutritious, and delicious. So let's dive in. Alright, first up are the ingredients. You can see all that I use here, and don't worry, I'll include all the specific dimensions and amounts in the video description. And don't feel like you have to follow everything to a T. Add more of what you like or just adjust as you go. Now, probably the most important part in cooking is the prep work. For my beginner level of cooking, I've already learned that if you have all your ingredients prepared before you cook, the actual cooking process will be much smoother. The prep work includes opening the cans of coconut milk, tomatoes, and of course the chickpeas. Don't forget to wash the veggies beforehand. I'll slice up the onion, crunch and dice the garlic, and chop the pepper and cilantro as well. So why am I doing all these cooking videos in the first place? Well, number one is for a class that I'm taking at UH, and secondly is to help me learn how to cook better overall. Practice makes perfect, right? And plus, knowing what ingredients we use can help make healthier decisions overall. Hopefully I'll motivate some of you guys to give cooking at home a shot, and in the end, I think cooking is pretty cool. And if you like your dish spicy, feel free to leave the seeds in the pepper, otherwise you can just discard them. For this dish, placing all the spices together is also a must while preparing. The dish called for lime juice as well, but I actually had a Meyer lemon from a yard since I didn't have any limes on hand. You can zest it for additional citrus taste and save some of the juice. Once organized, it's time to start cooking. This part is much easier than the prep work, so just turn on the stove top, add some oil, then drop in the onions and cook them until they start to soften and brown up. Add the pepper and cook for a few more minutes. Then add the garlic and cook those for just a couple more. Now we can add our spices and let them cook for a little bit just before we start adding the coconut milk. Alright, now we can add in our tomatoes. And then the star of the show, the chickpeas. Right away you can add the cilantro, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and the lemon zest since everything's going to be simmering for a while. Now this next step is the easiest part of this dish. Give the chickpea curry a quick stir, cover it with the lid, reduce the temp, and just let it simmer. The longer you can simmer it, I think the better it is. I just did 1 hour for my dish. Stir the curry once in a while and don't forget to taste test, of course. Once everything's done simmering, it's finally time to start plating it up. So overall, I really like this dish and it tastes super good. Although it seemed like a lot of prep work at first, the actual cooking was very easy. It's super cheap compared to eating out and all the ingredients are very healthy. I rate it 10 out of 10 for beginner cooks like myself. So if someone like me can cook this, so can you. So give it a shot and impress somebody. For my next dish, it'll be announced and decided by my followers on Twitter or X. The link's in my video description. So be on the lookout for that and for a poll next week to help decide which dish you'd like me to do next. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. See ya!